Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in granite and it looks nice. It's like a metallic dark gray color. Up front here we do have the Dodge logo with that chrome accenting on the grille, and we do have halogen quad headlamps that are very bright, as well as you have the fog lights just down there. Now around the side we do have 17-inch rims on the tires with the Komu brand tires. They look great. There's still tons of tread left on them, and they look awesome. Around here we do have the heated exterior mirrors. It'll help you get going a little bit quicker in the mornings. If they are frosted over, they'll defrost real fast. You do got the Journey logo there, the Dodge logo, and the SXT logo. We can open this guy up as long as it's unlocked. And you do have got some room back here as well. You can open this guy up. There's some additional space down there. It is very soft, and what you can also do is you can pull these and fold them down just like this. There we go. And now you got even more room, tons and tons of space to haul whatever you might need to. We got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and we do have our remote start as well, which is super nice, especially in the winter. It'll get you going a little bit quicker in the mornings and make it so it's nice and warm when you jump in. Now, if it is locked, it does have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Plus, you do have the button there if you did want to use that. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here. Plus, bit of that chrome accenting handle here and some storage down here. Now, you do also have the controls over your lights here. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And this guy here is the controls over your turning signals, your windshield wipers, and your high beams. It is push start, so all you gotta do is, if you have the key in your pocket, foot on the brake, push the start button, and you're good to go. In the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. Now, as well, you can change that guy in the middle. Let's see if we can see it a little bit better. There we go. Now, you can change that guy in the middle from your vehicle speed to your fuel economy. You got your trip info, your tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and then you can turn the menu off if it is too bright for you. Now, that is all controlled from your steering wheel right here, as well as you have your voice recognition and your call-out button, horn in the middle, and you also have your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel right here, you do have a volume up and down, as well as on the other side, you have an identical one that does channel. In the center here, you do have your touchscreen display, just like that. Now, you do have your radio, you have your AM and your FM, as well as your player. So you have your Bluetooth, your aux, your disc, and your USB. You got your climate control here. It is a dual climate, so you and your passenger can have different climates. You also have your rear passenger, rear climate control over here too, and you can lock it so that the people in the back can't change it. You have your settings here, your more, so your outlet, your phone, all of that stuff, as well as you can turn the screen off if it is too bright for you. Then you have your hazard lights, your AC, your circulation, your front and rear defrost, and your traction control. Then your volume up and down plus your off. Then the dual climate here with the power, the off, and the browser there. This guy here is your CD player. Then you got some space in there with a plug-in. You got some cup holders here, and your gear shift right here, just like that. And then in the center here, you do have your armrest, which does double as a storage container. You can remove that guy, and there's more room under there, plus a USB plug-in and a 12-volt plug-in. You can close that back up. And then right over here, you do have a locking glove box. Tons of room in there as well to put whatever you might need to. And then up top here, you do have your lights, plus you have a sunglass holder, and then you do have a universal garage door opener right here. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have the control over the windows right here, plus that same chrome accenting handle here, another one down here. And it is the same material as the rest of the vehicle. It is very soft, very luxurious feeling. Now over here we can pull this guy down, and it gives you an armrest plus some cup holders. You do have some plugins right over there and some storage in the floor here. You can put some things in there and it'll be nice and safe. You can slide them forward, or you can pull this and it folds down just like that. Then you can get to the seats back here. You do got some cup holders back here as well if you did want to use those. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.